On screen text, how to enable sensitive content on Instagram, 60s guide. Narration, in this quick video, you'll see exactly how to enable sensitive content on Instagram step by step. On screen text, Step 1, open Instagram. Narration, Step 1, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. On screen text, go to your profile. Narration, now tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. On screen text, open Settings and Privacy. Narration, from your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right, then choose Settings and Privacy. On screen text, search Sensitive. Narration, in Settings and Privacy, use the search bar at the top and type Sensitive. On screen text, tap Sensitive Content. Narration, from the search results, tap on the option labeled Sensitive Content. On screen text, Sensitive Content Control. Narration, you'll now see the Sensitive Content Control screen with options for how much sensitive content you want to see. On screen text, Default Limit. Narration, by default, Instagram is usually set to Limit, which hides more potentially sensitive posts. On screen text, choose Less to see more. Narration, to allow more sensitive content, tap the option labeled Less or Allow More. The wording may vary by region. On screen text, confirm your choice. Narration, if a confirmation pop-up appears, review the note and tap Confirm to save your choice. On screen text, changes applied. Narration, your sensitive content settings are now updated. You'll start seeing more of this type of content where Instagram allows it. On screen text, review anytime a settings sensitive content. Narration, you can change this anytime by going back to Settings and Privacy, then Sensitive Content.